You can see that this guy has just released this coin right now for us. So I click on done, and now we have USDT out of 60,000. You click on these three dots here and click on advertisement mode, and then you click on confirm. And then once you are here, you see that more options are now displayed down here. You now see others, ads, profile. You click on ads, post ad. Now watch this step very well. Once you are in this place, you shift to sell. You click on sell. You change this USD to NGN, then stay on fixed. Now the code is this. Just go to how much you bought. Yeah, this is how much you bought, and just make it 2 naira higher than this amount. Select the payment method that you want to be paid into. You can add new one here, and then you select your time, the time frame. So I recommend you stay on 15, and then you click on next. Then this holdings more than 0.01 BTC, please put it as 00. If you leave it at 0.01, if some people want to click, they will tell them that their minimum BTC minimum holding balance is not up to 0.01. So leave it at 0.00, and then available, just leave it online, and then you click on post, and then publish your ad. So you can now see that ad is what successfully posted. You click on what done.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so that any video I drop, you get it once your notification feed, guys. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is WATERFRED'S, and I teach things about arbitrage, buying and selling of e-currencies, fiat currencies, dollar, pound, euro, Ugandan shillings, Ghanaian cedis, and reselling them back to make profit. So today, guys, we'll be learning about cardless arbitrage. And what does that mean? It means what? Making money online without making use of your card, without making payments via your card. Due to the limits of Nigerian card, a lot of people have been clamoring for me to make videos about cardless arbitrage. And today, guys, here it is. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the video and let me show you exactly how I do this. I recommend you watch this video to the end because I'll be leaving some amazing tips at the end for you to make more profits.
So guys, this is WATERFRED'S here again, and today, guys, I'll be teaching you cardless arbitrage. So the first thing you're going to do is just to log onto your Binance. You only need your Binance account for this and cash. You log onto your Binance account, and once you're on your Binance account, you click on P2P, and on the P2P tab, you stay on NGN, and then you buy. Now, when you want to buy, you use your filter, of course. You stay on bank transfer. Yeah, and then you say, okay, let's say you need a minimum of 100 USDT to do this. So, and 100 USDT, of course, is higher than 50,000 naira. So just put 50,000 naira in the price tab. So on the first person, you select, and then you put 50,000 to check if it's up to. It's not up to. It's a 6 USDT. So you put 60,000, and this is just fine, 103.54. So you say, okay, buy with zero fee. And then go to the charts and see what he's saying. Don't put this and that. So once you are here, you make transfer to this guy. You pay, and let me make this payment immediately, and then let me come back and continue with the video. So I've just made payment, so I'll just click on transfer, notify seller. So we'll just wait for this guy to release this coin, and we'll continue the video. Okay, you can see that this guy has just released this coin right now for us. So I click on done, and now we have USDT out of 60,000. And then, of course, before you start, you should make a record. You should make a record so you know what you are doing, total amount you bought, total amount you spent, and the rate. The rate we bought at a rate of 579.49 to 1 USDT. So you record it, and then total amount spent is 60,000 naira. You click on these three dots here and click on advertisement mode, and then you click on confirm. And then once you are here, you see that more options are now displayed down here. You now see others, ads, profile. You click on ads, post ad. Now watch this step very well. Once you are in this place, what you will do is you shift to sell. You click on sell. You change this USD to NGN, Yes, if you change it to NGN, then stay on fixed. When you stay on floating, when the price of USDT goes up and down, the price you set will also go up and down. So just leave it at fixed so that you can be the one to always adjust the price, and then you'll be checking it by yourself. Then now what you are going to do once you are here is you will see the person that is selling the that is selling the lowest. Now this person now that you see that has 565.52, that this is the lowest order price. You know that before you can even buy from this person, you will need to have like say 10 million or 5 million naira for you to buy from this higher person. So don't even mind going above this person, but don't place your price so high. If not, people may not buy from you.
And then, by the way, if you need to ship items, gadgets, or electronics down from the US to Nigeria easily, paying a CBN rate, you can check out this website, respectmart.com. I also made a video previously on all the steps involved in doing that. You can check out the video in the video description.
Now the code is this. Just go to how much you bought. Yeah, this is how much you bought, and just make it 2 naira higher than this amount. So just go to your calculator. So this is how much we bought. So if we add 1 naira or 2 naira to this, you see that we'll have 581.49. So copy this. Let's just add 2 naira to it. Don't be greedy about it. Now that's the price you put here. Yeah, this is the price you put here. Yeah, but there's still one or two things that you need to check. Then you click on next. When you click on next, you come here and then you click on all. You see that you'll be making 60,200, which is way too low, because by the time bank charges remove their fees and everything, you see that you'll not be making much profit. So what I recommend you do is the prices you can do is usually do it within 2 naira to 5 naira. So but remember that the higher you go, the higher your price, the less likely people will click on your ad. But the lower it is, the more people will easily click. So let's just add 4 naira here. Yeah, 4 naira max. Let's add 4 naira here. Yeah, so we'll add 4 naira here. Then you come here and then you put it here. You put the amount here and then you click on next. When you click on next, you click on all. You see 60,400. Now, this thing is much more profitable when you are doing it with a very big amount. Yes, so if for every 60,000 naira we make 400 naira, you know that you can imagine how much it will be if you do this type of transaction with about 500,000 naira or 1 million. You'll see that the profit will be much more profitable than this. Now, we're not done with all the settings. Just keep it here. Don't be greedy. If you set your price too high, nobody is going to click on it. Just make sure your price is within 1 to 5 naira higher than what you bought. And make sure the total price here is not lower than how much you spent. If not, you lose. But once it's higher, you see that you'll be making profit.
From here now, you can adjust your minimum selling balance. I recommend you leave it at either 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira in order to make it very affordable for a lot of people to buy.
And then another thing I want to tell you is, please do not say that you charge 100 naira because of bank fees. It has led to a lot of account closure. So what you now do is, just select your account, select the payment method that you want to be paid into, any of your payment method. You can add new one here, and then you select your time, the time frame. The more you select, if you select 45, 30, people is not likely to click. So I recommend you stay on 15, and then you click on next. And then your terms. What you write here is, please do not, you can number it like, please don't call. I release coin, I release fast. Then you can tell them, do not or don't input crypto terms. You can also tell anything you want, like third party payment not accepted, all those. And please do not charge 100 naira. I don't recommend it at all. And then you can click next. Then another thing is, on this part now, if you like, you can say people that have been more than 100 days on 100 or 1,000 days on Binance, but I don't recommend that. I recommend you leave it at 0, because anybody can just come in and buy any amount from you. Then this holdings more than 0.01 BTC, please put it as 00. If you leave it at 0.01, if some people want to click, they will tell them that their minimum BTC minimum holding balance is not up to 0.01. So leave it at 0.00, and then available, just leave it online, and then you click on post, and then publish your ad. So you can now see that ad is successfully posted. You click on done. And then once you see this ad is on, you now see that what after some time people will just start buying, messaging you, you'll be receiving credit alerts, that they've made payment, this and that, and then you release the coin for them.
Thank you so much for watching the video to this point. So I promised earlier that I'm going to leave some amazing tips for you to make more profits. And here they are. Number one, you need a minimum of 100 USDT to make this transaction. But profit is made more when you do with huge capital. When you trade with huge capital, you're going to make more profit. Say from 500,000 above, 800,000, 1 million. That's why you go to Binance and you see some people doing transactions of 10 million naira, 20 million, 50 million, and above. Tip number two, don't be greedy about this. Just set your selling price about 2 to 5 naira or even 1 naira if you can make tangible profit. If you have huge capital, 1 or 2 naira difference is enough for you to make profits daily and unlimited. So don't be greedy about it. Tip number three, people may choose to buy from you or may not choose to buy from you. You may create an ad and even when the price seems very low, nobody may click it. Now, the thing is, USDT or this particular cardless arbitrage is influenced by the market price of USDT in general. You may buy USDT when it's low, and then you set your own price about 10 naira higher than what you bought. And before you even publish, just immediately you're publishing, people have finished buying it because maybe there is a little tip, a little increase in the general price of USDT on Binance or in the crypto markets. Tip number four, anyone can do this, whether you are a verified merchant or not. But you just need to pass the basic Binance verification, which is your email, your phone number, and your ID verification. Then tip number five, and the final one. The advantage of cardless arbitrage is that it's unlimited and you can actually perform it anytime, any day, without any limit. But you also know that people may choose to buy from you or may not choose to buy from you, just like I said. Unlike the card arbitrage, anytime you are successfully debited, of course you will make profit and you will always see buyers because you probably bought at a very cheap rate of 490 or 480 using bank rates when you pay with your ATM card. But you already know if you live in Nigeria, there is a limit to the number of international transactions you can perform on your card. Most banks are $100, some are 50, some are 15, some are 20, and some do a little bit higher than $100, like about $116. So at this point, I believe you make up your mind on which to follow, the cardless arbitrage or the card arbitrage. Both still works. As for me, I do both.